Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to certify for an employment benefits using UI Online. It's a fast, secure, and convenient way to manage your claim and get paid. So first, you'll need to register with my EDD and create a UI Online account. Once you're all set up, log in with your email and password. And if you're eligible to certify, you'll see the certify for benefits button. If not, you'll get a message letting you know when to check back, and make sure to submit your certifications by the deadline to avoid any issues with your claim. So once you click certify for benefits, you'll be taken to a page with instructions and resources. So start by answering the questions, which are the same ones that you'll find on the paper claim form. If you are unsure about a question, use the help icon for more info. And remember, you can save your progress and come back later if needed. So for each week, you'll answer questions like if you were sick or unable to work, whether you refuse any job offers, or if you earned any income. And when you're done, review your answers and submit them. You'll get a confirmation number, so be sure to save it. And that's it. You're all set up, and if you have more weeks to certify, just repeat the process. And if you ever need to check your past certifications, you can find them in the history section. So thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this.